This is the microphone test for the SteelSeries Siberia 800 wireless headset. I'm going to start with children playing in the background and go from there. Okay, so now I am testing with children playing in the background, making noise. Testing with silence and moments of talking so that we can get an idea of how things sound to your teammates in the background. Alright, so now I'm going to test TV in the background. I've got The Office playing in the background again. Doing moments of silence and moments of me talking just to see how the noise cancellation works on these headphones. Alright. Alright, so now we are testing dogs in the background just to see how that sounds with me talking and not talking. And we will see how that works. Okay, so now I am testing with someone talking right next to me just to see how this works. And we'll see how that works out. And this concludes the test.